So I didn't have an air mattress, so I came to Canadian Tire to pick up one. And check this out. It's kind of crazy. They got one checkout open. One checkout. Someone doesn't get their priorities straight, that's for sure. Yeah, that's sad. Alright folks, we're on the road to success. Or to beer. Look at that guy going there. And that guy over there. And this guy back here getting friggin' gas. Asking the cops if we can drink in the rig. Cops didn't like that too much. Anyways, he's getting the car wash. And Gizo is over there getting gas still. Funny thing is, I don't know. Anyways, stay tuned for more funny antics. Hey Durkee, fuck off! Get some wax. Come on, are you gonna say hi?
Hola, señorita.
Yeah, bunch of dicks. Two girls over there trying to peddle the wax, asking Stefan, did you see the stuff that we do over here? He's like, yeah, you guys were at the Shell gas station last week, weren't you? And she's like, yeah, you told me then. Jackasses. So this is the, check out the woods. Isn't that creepy? It's like all the trees. It's weird. Anyways, we're down here at Kyle Gizo's bachelor party. Got lots of firewood there. We should be good for the night. If we go through that, we got some issues. That's for sure. It's beautiful. Check out this place. Friggin' dandy boys. Friggin' dandy.
Nice.
Like, check it out. Isn't that something? Woohoo! Woohoo! It's like wise old Al. So, I don't know.
It's gonna be Spongie in the morning.
I don't know if I can see. Can you see that guy? Where's he at? There he is. Look at that.
Oh, Jesus.
Cranky old bear, Sponge in the morning.
Yeah. You get right out of her later and be like, there's a bear after me.
I found actually clipped its ear. Oh. And then 2 weeks later, you finally got it.
Yeah, so I got this grandma's apple pie stuff. I'm gonna throw in the freezer to cool it down.
And that's hit a transfer truck.
Even
So the transfer truck hit it.
he even got a wolf, folks.
And it did a spiral down, and I'm guessing not even 2 feet.
Check out this place.
It snapped too.
This is craziness, man. I thought we were coming to a camp. We're really roughing it.
And I got cream and water.
What do you got there?
Cream and water, bud. Cream and water.
Cream and water.
Necessary for camping.
I went to Walmart and bought air mattress.
Look at that.
And there's friggin' huge ass beds. And friggin' like, look, there's hardwood floors in this place. This is nuts.
Oh my god, I gotta sleep with fancy picture looking at me.
Oh, that could be a nightmare. These guys down here looking for a skunk with a fishing rod. I don't know if they're fishing for skunks or... You guys fishing for skunks?
Yeah, buddy, it's a new sport. Skunk fishing.
Skunk fishing.
Fuck the fish.
Fuck fish, skunk fishing.
Nice.
Fucking these guys out here fishing.
I don't know, I found this downstairs, so you want to throw it in there?
Better than nothing for now. We probably catch some more.
I don't know. I think that other guy might have. I don't know.
I smacked him off this concrete there. We still alive.
Those are small. Throw him back.
No, that's pretty cool. Oh, we got some chicken thighs going in the oven here shortly. We're definitely not going to be starving, that's for sure. We'll be barbecuing here in a second as well. Here we got Fancy going here all out with the sweet chili sauce on our chicken thighs. It's going to be yummy. He doesn't get his priority street though. He's got the food going, but his beer's still got the cap on it.
I know.
Oh well. I had to remind him there. There we go. Cheers.
An hour to, and all of a sudden it's just gonna fucking start just.
How far did you get it in there?
Oh no, it's in the fire.
What kind did you throw in?
The sparkle fountain one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I thought you threw one like a fucking projector.
Get a real one.
Oh,
I think it's already made up. Bert.
it can go. So.
See, that's the thing. A lot of the fireworks.
Now I gotta play water toss over there.
Okay. False alarm. That's all right.
I gotta shut my windows. They're gonna be shit on.
Okay, we got an array assortment of fireworks right there. And we got an array assortment of fireworks there. Where's the light going?
1 second. Sorry.
Okay, there. Then we got a box load of fireworks here. So we're gonna have quite a fireworks display.
I've never smoked one though.
Smoke and smoke.
What do I do?
Heavy duty.
Hey, it was $29 for all these chocolate. There you go. I spent a lot of baby's money on this.
What's the point of this light?
Well, you can see what it's like.
How do I turn it off?
No, just put it down by the fireworks. On the ground.
How do I turn it off?
Whole lot of cursing going on over there. Just enjoy the show. What's that, buddy?
Somebody dead or.
Heavy duty. Yeah, buddy. So that was pretty crazy. We're only quarter way into the fireworks and almost as good as Westville's, I think. Anyways, fireworks in the fire is not exactly the safest thing from Mr. Safety's point of view, but anyways.
Like
Bill Colter?
Yay! Oh shit! I wasn't recording.
Whoa! Oh my god, oh wow, holy crap. Jesus, David!
Holy!
Holy.
You're the operator.
I will fucking burn you.
Oh, don't be like that.
You
You almost blew me up earlier.
Who are you gonna burn with no lighter?
Good thing this isn't the drinking game. Holy! You're right, Red.
Is that it? What the fuck? Don't get too close. That was a good one, yeah.
That's fucked. That was the what?
This one, no, this one's the.
I was gonna say, don't tell me that was the big one.
Jelly bean.
Yeah, that one looked actually pretty decent. They're shanking to the right pretty good. Oh yeah, man, I had stuff falling on my head.
Tell when they like them.
Oh my god. These ones are up there a bit.
Right.
What?
This one like zipping by my ear.
Oh, a cap?
Yeah. Oh, those ones are cool though.
And we're back far too. Tons of fireworks. Some of them are dangerous. Some might be just the operator. I don't know.
Whoever's over there having a piss almost took fireworks to the face.
Yep, they sure did. Imagine getting that right in the Peter. Better than Westville. Hooray!
Bears are gonna be pissed tonight.
The bears are in hibernation now. Did you get the fish on the fire?
I got her. You can smell it if you go down there.
Oh, no doubt.
Smells pretty good, actually.
No doubt. Oh,
Was it trout?
Yeah, trout. Should put a trout on a stick.
fire truck! Woo! Take 4 more drinks, Kyle. No, you take 2 more drinks, Kyle. Yeah, drinking game last night. Kyle didn't win too much. Yeah, he didn't do good at story cards either. Anyways, here we are, the morning of next. I'm cooking up some breakfast. Check this out. Got some bacon happening there. Got some more bacon happening there. Got some eggs. Got some bread. Yep, we got our coffee going. Alright, it's gonna be good. And there's the final product, folks. Look at that. Mamma jamma. You guys fucking full? Full? Semi-full? How you feeling over there? Huh?
My tummy hurts.
Your tummy hurts? The drive will fix that up.
Off on the food.
They are YouTubers and Facebook friends. Photobomb there. Anyways, we're all done here at the Fancy camp. You kind of misled us on the Facebook chat, saying that we're going to be cooking pies over a fire and whatnot. But anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching my YouTube videos and liking and subscribing. Don't forget to comment down below, and I'll definitely get back at you as soon as I see the comments. So anyways, hope you guys had a wonderful Canada Day. I know we did. And yeah, anyways, take care and have a nice day.